on? So today I'm going to show you all a 562 error or code on a 2017 Dodge Journey. So this is the 4-cylinder. It would be the same for the V6 and other Dodge models. So let's check for it. So Maggie went to AutoZone because I was at work, and she got the P0562, system voltage low. And we're going to plug in our scanner. This is a cheap one from Walmart. It's about 20 bucks, maybe even less than that, depending on when you get it. Radio is about to come on. Let me turn that off. We're gonna let this start. And we're gonna hit enter. One code found. Read code. System voltage low. System voltage low. So with the system voltage low error, let me turn this off before it drives me crazy. This means one of a few things. So, I should have opened the hood before I did this. So, with system voltage low, you either have slippage on the alternator is going bad, corrosion on the battery terminals, or the battery is going bad. So down here, you can look, there is a battery under here. And people are like, well, how do I change my battery? Well, that's the fun part. So to jump off, you have the jump terminal right here and the ground right here. So negative, positive. To change the battery, you gotta jack it up, take this tire off, undo these clips, and the battery is under there. I have a video that I'm about to do on how to change it. This battery is a Group 26. So it's kind of a taller, slim battery. But this will solve this issue unless you have some kind of short circuit. And hopefully you don't have that, because Dodge's and electrical are not the greatest things in the world when you gotta run the issue down. So just remember that, guys. So this is the P0562 code and how to check for it and things to look for. Now, I will be making a video on how to replace the battery, so check my channel if you want to watch that. If you can drive your car with the check engine light on after jumping it up, so jump it off, run it for about 10-15 minutes. If it doesn't die, it's probably not your alternator. If you're squealing, could be the belt. And if you turn it off and go to turn it back on, and the battery, it doesn't have enough juice, then you probably need a new battery or clean the terminals. Now, I did notice with this having low voltage, I did have to hold the brake and push the button for a couple seconds before it would start, so just be aware of that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.